Here I have INTEX Aqua Power, and let me show you how to clear the browser data on the following device. So in that case, it will be the Opera. Let's open the Opera app right here. Here, let's use the Opera button right here in that corner. Choose Settings, scroll down and select here the clear browsing data right here. So here you can clear saved passwords, browsing history, cookies and site data, and all you need to do right now is just tap OK, and you just clear all data from your browser. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave a thumbs up under the video.